Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to transfer the data to your INFINIX Hot 60i from your old phone. So, at first you need to search for the phone cloner application in your device. It's the built-in application and should be found in the mobile cloner section. Open that, and now, as you can see, mobile cloner will switch the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth status on the device. Tap agree and tap new phone receive data. Please select the old phone type: Infinix, Android, iPhone, or feature phone. For example, you can select Android, Techno, Ital, or other Android. If you want to get your data, for example, from Samsung, you have to tap other Android. Here you have to, as you can see, select everything. And now, as you can see, download mobile cloner. Start to download and just other method. But wait a moment, I do have the Apple iPhone, so let me do everything the same, but for Apple. Now we need to open the camera application and scan the QR code, which is here. Now we need to open the App Store, and as you can see, here they have mobile cloner from Shanghai something company. Now we need to just install this application. And tap open. Agree. This is an old phone. Select data to transfer. Let me, for example, only select the calendar. Allow full access and allow. Now we need to scan the same QR code, but I don't know why this uses bus sensor, and click join. Now we are connected to our new phone, and my data will be sent to the new phone in a moment. And actually, that's it. It's that easy. The only thing you need to do is to be connected to a Wi-Fi network and have a Bluetooth device, Bluetooth module enabled in your phone. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.